For years, devices were built around one simple idea: apps first. You opened your phone, chose an app, tapped through menus, and got something done. Every device, from smartphones to laptops, was designed around this model. But now, something fundamental is changing. Big tech is starting to redesign devices around a completely different idea: AI first. And this isn't just a feature update, it's a complete shift in how devices are built, how they work, and how you interact with them. Because in an AI-first world, the device is no longer the center. The intelligence is. To understand why this shift is happening, you have to start with the problem. The app-based model is breaking down, not because apps don't work, but because they create friction. Think about how many steps it takes to do something simple. Unlock your phone, find the right app, open it, navigate menus, enter information. It works, but it's inefficient. And in a world where people expect speed, simplicity, and instant results, that friction becomes more noticeable. AI changes that. Instead of navigating apps, you express intent. Book a meeting. Summarize this document. Plan my trip. And the system handles the rest. No app switching, no manual steps, just outcomes. That's the core reason big tech is redesigning devices around AI first. Because AI collapses the interface, it turns multiple steps into one. And once that becomes possible, the entire design philosophy has to change. The second reason is context. Traditional devices are reactive. They wait for you to tell them what to do. AI-first devices are proactive. They understand context, what you're doing, where you are, what you might need next, and that allows them to act before you ask. For example, instead of opening a map app, directions might appear automatically. Instead of searching for information, it's surfaced at the right moment. Instead of managing tasks manually, they're handled in the background. This requires a different kind of device, one that's always aware, always connected, and deeply integrated with your daily activity, which is why you're seeing more focus on wearables, sensors, and ambient computing, because AI works best when it has context. And context comes from being present, not just being used occasionally. Another major driver is speed. AI can process information faster than humans can navigate interfaces. It can analyze data, make decisions, and execute tasks in seconds. But if you still have to go through multiple steps to activate it, you lose that advantage. So devices are being redesigned to reduce that gap. Fewer steps, faster responses, more direct interaction. Because in an AI-first system, the bottleneck shouldn't be the interface, it should be the capability of the AI itself. There's also a competitive reason behind this shift. The next major platform is up for grabs. Smartphones defined the last era. Whoever controlled the smartphone ecosystem controlled the market, but now the next platform is emerging. And it's not just a device, it's an intelligence layer. The company that defines how people interact with AI controls the future of computing. And that's why every major tech company is racing to build AI-first devices, because missing this shift could mean losing relevance. Another important factor is integration. In the app-based world, everything is separate. Different apps, different services, different experiences. But AI-first systems unify everything. They connect services, combine data, and operate across multiple functions seamlessly. This creates a more fluid experience. Instead of switching between tools, everything works together, and that requires a different kind of device architecture, one where AI sits at the center, coordinating everything else, not as an add-on, but as the core. There's also a shift in how users think. People don't care about apps. They care about results. They don't want to manage tools. They want things done. And AI aligns perfectly with that. It turns technology from something you operate into something that operates for you. And that's a powerful change, because it reduces effort, saves time, and improves the overall experience. But to deliver that, devices have to be redesigned from the ground up, not just updated. Another key reason is hardware evolution. AI requires different types of processing, specialized chips, efficient power management, continuous data input. So companies are building devices with AI in mind from the start: custom silicon, on-device processing, better integration between hardware and software. This allows AI to run faster, more efficiently, and more securely, and it reduces reliance on cloud-based systems, which improves performance and privacy. There's also a long-term vision behind all of this: ambient computing, a world where technology is always present but not always visible, where devices fade into the background, and AI becomes the primary interface. In that world, you don't think about devices, you think about outcomes. And that's where things are heading: phones, wearables, smart environments, all connected through AI, all working together, all designed around your intent, not around apps. But here's the important part. This transition won't happen overnight. The app-based model is deeply embedded. People are used to it, businesses depend on it. So instead of a sudden shift, we'll see a gradual evolution. Devices will become more AI-driven over time, interfaces will simplify, apps will become less visible, and AI will take on more responsibility. Until eventually the system feels completely different. But even before that, the impact will be clear. Faster interactions, less friction, more automation, and a new way of thinking about technology, because once devices are designed around AI first, everything else becomes secondary: the interface, the apps, even the device itself. And that's why big tech is making this move now. Not just to improve products, but to redefine how we interact with technology altogether. Because in the next era, the most important feature won't be the device you use, it will be the intelligence behind it.